Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum TV app streaming issues, buffering, lag, and quality settings. To fix Spectrum TV app streaming issues, restart your streaming device and home router first. This resolves over 80% of common playback errors, buffering loops, and sudden drops in video quality. Fix 1. Force close and clear app cache. For Roku, press the home button 5 times, then press up once and press rewind twice, then press fast forward twice. This forces a clean system reboot. For Fire TV/Android TV, go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Now find Spectrum TV and tap on Clear Cache and force stop. Apple TV/iOS. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher, then swipe up on the Spectrum TV app window to close it. Samsung Smart TV. Hold down the power button on your remote control for 5 seconds until the TV turns off and turns back on. Fix 2. Fix network latency and buffering. Switch to 5 GHz. Connect your streaming device to your router's 5 GHz Wi-Fi band instead of the slower 2.4 GHz band. Next, check bandwidth. Disconnect other high bandwidth devices like gaming consoles or file downloads running on the same network. Next, disconnect VPNs. Turn off any active VPNs on your router or device as Spectrum blocks streaming traffic from unauthorized IP addresses. Next is to hardwire the device. Use an Ethernet cable to link your streaming box directly to the router to eliminate wireless interference. Fix 3. Troubleshoot common error codes. Error RGE1001 or RLC1002. It indicates a connection failure. So unplug your Spectrum modem and router for 60 seconds and then plug them back in. Error GVS1004. It signifies account verification issues. So log out of the Spectrum TV app, close it, and then open it again and manually re-enter your username. Next, channel missing/limited lineup. Ensure your device is connected to your Spectrum home Wi-Fi network. Streaming away from your home network legally restricts access to certain local and premium channels. Fix 4. Reinstall and update. Uninstall the Spectrum TV app from your device settings. Now check for system updates on your TV or streaming puck to ensure your base OS is current. Now reboot the device entirely and download a fresh copy of the app from the official App Store. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.